Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We got quite the lineup coming, so if you want to go ahead and subscribe to us and get the first notifications when we post a new video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What we got for sale today is a 2019 40 horse Mercury. This one has 93 hours on it, 180 PSI on all 3 cylinders. Went ahead and did new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and new power head oil. This one is a 40 horse tiller long shaft. We'll go ahead and fire it up. I am running it off of an external key switch. I don't really have a choice here. This will have to be mounted in the boat. Got good water coming out. This one does have tilt and trim. Go ahead and put it forward. Neutral. Reverse. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you, and have a great day.